In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort WooCommerce products in just 5 minutes. Navigating the world of e-commerce can be a bit daunting, especially when you're trying to ensure that your products are displayed in a way that makes sense to your customers and maximizes your sales. Thankfully, WooCommerce provides a flexible and easy to use platform for managing your online store, including the ability to sort your products. This feature can help you guide your customers through your store more effectively by highlighting your best sellers, newest items, or even those on sale. Let's dive into how you can customize the order of your product display to enhance your customers' shopping experience. First things first, we need to access the control panel of your WordPress site because that's where all the magic happens. Make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your mission control for everything related to your website, including your WooCommerce settings. You can usually access this area by adding /wp admin to your site's URL. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see a variety of options in the menu. Look for the Products tab. It's your gateway to everything product related. Click on it and you'll be taken to a screen that lists all of your current products. This area allows you to add new products and of course manage how your existing products are displayed to your shoppers. Now for the main event, sorting your products. WooCommerce automatically sorts products based on their creation date, but you can easily change this to whatever suits your shop best. You'll notice there's a Sort Products drop-down menu near the top of this page. It may be labeled differently depending on your screen size or the version of WooCommerce you're using, but it's there, I promise. This menu is your tool for defining how products should be displayed store-wide by default. You can opt to sort them by popularity, average rating, newness, price, either high to low or low to high. But let's say you're running a special promotion or want to highlight back in stock items. In that case, you might want to sort products based on their stock status. Right next to the Sort Products drop-down, you'll find the Filter by Stock Status option. Clicking this allows you to filter products that are in stock, out of stock, or on back order. It's an incredibly useful feature for managing the visibility of your products based on their availability. Remember, the way you arrange your products can significantly influence your store's performance. Think about what your customers are looking for. Are they hunting for the newest gadgets? Or maybe they're more interested in snagging a bargain. By strategically sorting your products, you can cater to your shoppers' preferences and likely see an uptick in sales. Here are a few additional tips to get the most out of your product sorting. Regularly review your sorting settings. Market trends shift, and so do your inventory and promotional activities. Adjust your product sorting accordingly to reflect these changes. Pay attention to customer feedback. If you receive comments about how hard it is to find certain products, it might be time to rethink your approach to product organization. Consider using WooCommerce extensions. Several plugins are available that offer advanced sorting options, such as sorting by sales within the last 24 hours or by the number of views. These tools can provide more granular control over how your products are displayed. In conclusion, sorting your WooCommerce products is a straightforward process that can have a profound impact on your store's user experience and sales performance. By taking the time to manage how your products are displayed, you ensure that your customers see the best of what you have to offer in a way that feels natural and intuitive to them. Whether you're looking to showcase your newest arrivals, highlight top sellers, or simply make it easier for customers to find what they need, WooCommerce gives you the tools to do it effectively. And that wraps up our quick guide on how to sort WooCommerce products. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure you experiment with different sorting options to find what works best for your shop and your customers. Happy sorting, and see you in the next video.